Trapper Terry and welcome to another adventure. So guess what? Today I'm going spear fishing and look who I got with me, shark's bait. But I'm not gonna take shark's bait along. You know why? I don't want poor little shark's bait to be shark's bait. So I'm gonna go out with my buddy James and we're gonna go get fish and cook them up later. So follow me along in the adventure. This is killer. Wow. We're here. There's all kinds of fish. There's snook. You can't spear a snook though, but this is cool. We're gonna be heading up that way and hopefully get some fish. I'm gonna put them in the bag. So that stunk. I just shot a nice snapper. James is still way out there, as you can see, off in the distance. And the GoPro just stopped working, so I had to go in and take it apart. And I don't know what I did, but it's working. So hopefully I get another fish. Can't shoot those. Well, there's a lot of fish out here, but it's pretty murky. As you can see on video, unless you get up close. I've missed a few, let's put it that way. I got one snapper so far. Finally got a nice one. I've been chasing you buggers around all day. Tonight, I think I'm gonna make snapper ceviche. Another nice, and I got 3 in the bag. I'm done for the day. I said I was done earlier, but I just can't stop. It's James way over there. James, say hey, yay! Wow, so I'm back in the kitchen. Had a killer day, went out with James, my buddy. We got 4 mangrove snapper from 12 inches up to 15 inches long. Real nice, good white meat. And here it is right here. I'm gonna make a Mangrove snapper ceviche. Ceviche is basically chemically cooked by using sour oranges, lime and lemon, and some other ingredients which I'll tell you all about. So first step you want to do, right here, this is my secret juice. It's equal portions of 1 cup of a little tomato juice, like a tablespoonful, a little lime juice, squeeze fresh limes, squeeze fresh lemons, and you gotta get the sour orange. They grow in Florida, they sell them at some supermarkets. So you take those ingredients, squeeze it all in there, add a little cayenne pepper and just a pinch of curry. That's pretty much it. And I even do a little splash of Louisiana hot sauce, just like a little splash. Stir it together and that's your juice. Next step, you chop up jalapeno. I use red, you can use green. Red bell pepper, red onion, green bell pepper, and cilantro. And these are the complete ingredients with this. Next step, you want to take 2 snapper fillets, that's 1 fish, both sides, for a portion that comes out about this size. You chop it up, cut it up. You're going to add all this in a container just like this right here. Real simple to do. You're going to take the fish first, slide it right in. There you go. Next step, hit up a little lime on it. Then, you're going to do a little lemon. Make sure you try not to get the seeds in there. The citric acid chemically cooks this fish. A little of the sour orange. You're going to squeeze that on it. A little more. Sour orange is a key ingredient. And you're going to take this off, set it aside, and everything on this plate you're going to slide on in. Cilantro, onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, you don't need mango in it. I just put it there because it looks good. And that's a Hatcher mango. Best eaten mangoes. Our neighbors have a little basket they put out and it says enjoy. So this special sauce that I told you about, you want to pour it on top. Just like that. And you take, with a spoon that has little holes in it right there, you just kind of stir it around. Real simple. This is real ceviche. Florida style. Trapper Terry style. And then right there, that's pretty much all you have to do. You don't have to be too fancy with it. What I do after that, I'm going to put a top on it. Some people, for a couple hours, let it marinate. You could eat it like that. I let it sit overnight. So all the flavor kind of coagulates in there and blends together. And you have this beautiful, it's almost like it makes the fish turn into like it's cooked. See that? And you take this, scoop it up. Like that. Get a nice little bite. Mmm. Wow. Wow. Double bites. Mmm. If you catch fish like mahi, things like that, you can do it. That is delicious. I'll tell you what. Get out there. Go have fun. Get some fish. Follow my recipe. Make yourself some ceviche. And I'll see you on the next adventure.